Okay, Rob from myppctraining.com. Today we are going to talk about all the different bid options available to you to use when you want to run your AdWords campaigns. I'm going to walk you through each one and how it works. So to find your bid strategies, go into your AdWords account, go into the campaign you want to work in. Then you come up here to your navigation. We're going to go to settings. And I'm going to walk you through all the different options. There we go. Right down here, bidding. So let's start from the top. The first bidding strategy is target CPA, which is cost per acquisition. And you can see a little brief description here. Sets bids to get the most conversions possible while reaching your average cost per acquisition goal. So if you chose this, you could say, so let's say we're doing Philadelphia roofing as the example for all these. Let's say we wanted to get leads at $35 per lead. That's either a phone call or a form submission. We would set the target CPA at $35, and Google will go out and auto bid all of your keywords, everything. They'll take care of everything, and they'll try and spend your budget as efficiently as possible to hit that goal of $35 per lead, and they will auto optimize your campaign bids for you to hit that goal. This is a great strategy if you're spending a decent amount of money. I wouldn't run this strategy on something where you're spending like $25-30 a day. Anything over 100, this could be great. And I would just make sure that you have some data on the campaign before you use it. I think you actually have to have like 30 days or something like that. I forget what it is. But you need to have data on the campaign in order for it to use the CPA goal. So that's that. The next one is target return on ad spend. Now this is pretty much the same thing as CPA, except this is return on ad spend. Sets bids to help you get the most conversion value while maintaining your target return on ad spend. So you would set a percentage of return that you want in your ad spend, just kind of like target CPA. Also, you have to have data in the campaign to use this. So this one we don't really mess around with too much. Target CPA is more, we use that more than this. But either way, these are all great strategies, and I suggest you at least try a couple of them. Try them out on different campaigns, see how they do for you. Next one, let's go to maximize clicks. This one we use a lot. Probably I'd say 90% of our campaigns are maximize clicks. So how this works, sets bids to help you get the most clicks within your budget. So you're essentially letting Google do all the auto bidding for you. Okay? You're not doing anything. You have no control over how it bids or what it bids, except that you can set a maximum cost per click, which you 100% should do if you use this bidding strategy. Otherwise, Google, I've seen it bid $150 a click on like ridiculous campaigns, like roofing campaigns, limos, doctors, all kinds of stuff. So it's important that you always, if you use maximize clicks, that you always, actually, you know what, I would always, no matter what strategy you use, always set a maximum cost per click. You want to keep Google in control. You don't want them to go out there and start bidding like crazy. So it really depends on which niche you're in, but like for roofing, we set it, I think it's like $33 or something like that. So it's important to remember when you're using these strategies. Next is maximize conversions. And right here, sets bids to help you get the most conversions within your budget. So you're telling Google, bid whatever the hell you want. I just want to get as many conversions as possible for my daily budget. And they're going to go to town using your historical data and stuff like that to get you as many conversions as possible. We use this in the limo niche for a few campaigns, and it does really, really well. And we get the leads for like $7, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, it's a great strategy. Next one, target search page location. Sets bids to help you get your ads to the top of the page or on the first page results. You have two options. You can either be at the very top of the first page of the search results, or you can just bid to be on the first page, which you can be at the bottom or the top. It really depends. I always add a percentage modifier, like increase by 15%, because I want to be more competitive than just run the basic strategy. So that's something to think about too. And you always want to be in the top. I mean, it's just the way, that's where all the traffic is. Target outranking share. Sets bids to help you outrank another domain's ads. So we've seen this used a lot with lawyers who just have like a thing where they're in their town and they have their main competitor and they always want to show their ad above the competitor. So this is a strategy for that. It's more for like branding and stuff, in my opinion. I don't use it besides for that. Then you have enhanced CPC. Adjust your bids up or down to help you increase conversions. So basically this pairs up with manual CPC, which is your flying stick here. You're managing and doing all the keyword bids yourself. Then you use a little checkbox. So I'll show you. You hit the checkbox here and it enables enhanced CPC. Let's hover over. Can help you get more conversions from manual bidding. Works by raising your bids for clicks that seem more likely to lead to conversions. So a lot of these bids are auto bids. I mean, almost they all are, except for manual CPC. And this is where the marketing industry is trending in the future. There's people who pay for software that's $1,000 a month, $500 a month, that does exactly what Google's giving you here for free. It's just you need to know how to use it. That's the most important part. And I'm going to have more advanced videos, probably in a course actually, about how to really get into these and like use them to the best of their abilities, because they are tricky, but they're very, very powerful stuff. And I'm telling you, people pay so much money for stuff that Google offers for free just because they don't understand how to use it. So that's the main bid strategies here. That's all of them. That's the best of the best right here. If I had to suggest when you're starting out, I would roll with maximize clicks first. Test that. Just make sure you have your maximum cost per click set. It's a really great bid strategy, and you're letting Google's learning algorithm basically work for you. That's what it's doing. It's basically their AI model. It's not really AI, but it's pretty damn close. Learning algorithm. You're letting it go to town and do all the fighting for you. So you're not competing with the manual CPC people anymore. They're in a whole different league. And it's really powerful. So if you guys have any questions about these bid strategies or you want further clarification, drop them in the comments below this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. A lot of cool stuff coming. And check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you.